Dear friends, topic for today is how to trim a video, that too for free using Windows 10. So let us go to the video. So first of all, I have recorded a video, screen recorded a video using OBS. Okay, and this is the recorded video. So this video I'm just opening it. Okay, so this video, so this is a video on Prime Minister Modi. So from this I need to trim this video. Okay, at the initial, from starting from this step to this step. Okay, because unwanted elements are there which I need to trim. See here, from this to okay, from up to here I need to trim, and then here everything is okay. Then at the end I need to trim. So starting and end I need to trim the video. See here. Okay, so this is also unwanted. Okay, so up to this. Okay, just before it. Okay, so I just am pushing it here. So up to this I need to trim. So this part I need to remove, trim and remove it. Similarly from here to here, right, up to this part I need to remove it. So that is, we call it as trimming, how to trim the video. So let us see how to do it. So what you have to do is just close it now. Just open this video, right click and open this video using Photos, which is a default application in Windows 10. Click Photos. Okay, now this is running in this Photos. It is a free application that comes by default in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So in this, go to right top corner, click it, then click trim. Okay, now these two parts will appear like this. So this is the end, one end, this is the other end. So now press this play button until you want the video to be trimmed. So I am pressing the play button. Okay, so until this will trim. So that means just left click the mouse and drag this till this spot. Okay, now this is okay. So first part we have trimmed. Now coming to the last part. Okay, so just before it. Okay, up to this. So just left click it, left click the mouse and drag it till this location. So now the video has been trimmed. Okay, now you can save it. I'm just saving it in desktop as trim. Click save. The video is being trimmed. So this is a procedure how to trim a video, that too trimming a video for free using no other software than the default software Photos that comes with Windows 10 and Windows 11. Okay, I'm just closing this. So I'm just opening the trim part. Okay, just see here. So the previous video, unnecessary part of the video has been removed. Similarly, last.
बैंकिंग सेक्टर में नया विश्वास, नई ऊर्जा लौट रही है।
Okay, so we have done it. So this is a procedure how to trim a video for free. Thank you friends, hope you understood how to trim a video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.